Alright, what did... Oh, English. What up, dudes? We are sailing today. We're going about halfway to Cornwall, and then when we get to Cornwall we're getting the mast repaired, which should take like a day or so, and then we're waiting there for some more crew, and then we begin the journey to Spain. Hopefully everything works out and we actually do it. But today we're waiting, everyone should be here by now, but we're waiting for everyone to show up. We've got one last repair to do on the stern of the boat, and then we're leaving. My dad disappeared in the shower an hour ago. Duncan's still sleeping, so it's just me. Just me all alone.
All alone.
So they're stuck from the inside, you know?
Oh yeah, nice.
It's been a week of repairs and the last shot is just you putting some duct tape on the sail.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the pinnacle of where we've got.
We have done all the tasks.
How much we've learned.
Hopefully this is the last shot in this marina.
That's going to be a good day, skipper.
It is going to be a good day, it's going to be great. Put the camera away. Greg, say hey mama. Hey mama.
So much stuff to do.
Zoom in on them as well. Fucking wet. You hate it too much.
Yeah. Alright, what up guys? Been sailing for the past few hours. We're actually motor sailing at the moment because it's not that windy. But I want to show you this. Look at how I have to sit. I have to sit like this to balance myself. This is how it's meant to be. So I'll show you. Oh my gosh. I have to stand. I have to stand like this to balance. It's so hard. Ow. Look, see that? Alright, I've come in here so it's a bit quieter. What up guys? I can't really sit up. I'm on a boat. You guys know that. I've been vlogging using this thing because it's waterproof and I don't have to hold it. It's just always on me. So that's useful, but I obviously can't vlog like this. I can't talk to you guys, it's not very intimate. So if I'm ever trying to like speak to you guys, I'll have to come in here to do it because it's just loud outside and it's windy out there. But look, at the moment we have both the sails going. We got both the sails going. It's not that windy, but the waves are kind of bumpy now again. Duncan gets seasick when he comes down here, underground. I don't mind it, I can come down here and chill. So that's what I've been doing. I just did a couple of hours of steering because everyone wanted a nap. And I was enjoying it. It like really wakes me up because we're all running on like 3-4 hours of sleep. Last night we were plotting the charts until like midnight, and then we woke up at 4 AM to leave. We have another boat that's with us, but they're quite far ahead of us now, so that we're kind of out of radio reach with them. Yeah, it's fun. It's going good. We spent 9 days in Gosport. That's the place that we arrived. We tried to leave, and then yeah, you guys know the story. The main sail wouldn't lift, so we had to go back and do some repairs, and then we found more things that were wrong with it, so we had to do more repairs. But yeah, now everything's working again. There is actually a tear in this sail here, a tiny tear, but it can get worse, so we have to take that down. Repair shop, I guess. Yeah, it's fun. It's hard to vlog on the ocean, I realise. I've obviously never tried this before. As things go on, it might be, some days it might be nice and calm, and I'll be able to go up on deck with you guys. When it's choppy like this, I can't take this camera on deck because I don't want to get it wet. If this thing gets wet, it's game over. I wonder if you can hear all these slushing sounds. You probably can. I'm basically underwater right now, because this side of the boat is underwater. COVID just does not exist down here. Well, 3 weeks is all it should take if we don't sleep.
Intense though, isn't it? 3 weeks of just non-stop.
Yeah. My laundry is done. We're in Weymouth. We are in Weymouth. We came here by boat. We finally left Gosport. I'm tired. Are you tired, Dunk? We're tired. 3 hours. I was at the peak of my dream, and then Phil's alarm went off, so ruined it. We're not where we're supposed to be. We're almost where we're supposed to be. We're about halfway. It's the weekend, so now it's hard to get anything done. And we came down here to get some boat work done. So we're gonna eat. We're gonna sail a bit tomorrow, and then chill for a bit, explore, wait for the boat people to be ready on Monday. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna sign out.
Officially the first time I've seen dolphins in the wild.
No way.
That is my first as well, mate.
Starts to turn. Feel the direction of the wind. Okay. Oh my god. He needs something, doesn't he?